Hi, this is Valerie Tiana coming to you with Unveiled Lotus. Before we begin, if anybody's here for negative intentions, please scroll. You don't want that fallout. But for unity, it's all coming about oneness, right? So when everything started, whether you are religious and you believe how it started, or if you're not and you want to go by the Big Bang, both of them is the same in the one, just two different aspects of looking at the same thing. So one knowing the energy force behind it, and the other one is the actual event. One's physical, one's spiritual. I do want to get into a little bit more on that, but I'll make that a different topic. But as far as unity, everything started as one. When God wanted to understand himself, he wanted to understand himself in so many different ways. And this is why your individual, are unique unto yourself, and no one's going to be like you. No one's going to think like you. If you and a friend read one book, both of y'all will see something different about it, or just in general, because each of y'all are looking in your own point of view. So y'all going to see the same one book as different aspects. Y'all pulled out different aspects. Not saying y'all didn't read the same parts, but the parts that are important to you is going to be onto yourself. And the route that you choose to get back to God at the end is going to be onto yourself. And then you can say, hey, God, look how I did on my journey getting back to you, right? So after everything said boom, right? And now we're all separated. He wants to be able to see, if I was Valerie Tiana, this is going to be my path. Or if I was someone else, and just go through your family. Everybody's going to have a different way about it. And when you understand that part, you understand that this is supposed to be a fun journey, finding your way back. The end goal may be the same, but the steps is up to you. There's so much more with that. But you're supposed to experience this for yourself. So enjoy your journey. Try to know that everything is here for you, not to hurt you. What else did I want to add to that? You already know you're an individual. Just remember you're worth your weight in diamonds and pearls, and don't let anybody take that away from you. What else? I think that's everything that's required to get that point across. But if anybody want me to speak more on the topic, because I have so much more to say, but I try to summarize it and make it real short, just let me know. But that's it for unity for now. And today's Black inventor is going to be Joseph Richard Winters. And he actually invented the fireplace, the fire escape ladder, right? I'm going to say the fire escape, and then I'm going to delay and say ladder. The reason I say this is because about 29 years before, right at the end of bakery with an S, sounds, not words, and it's not the same for everybody, but if you're not free at that time and someone else wanted your patent and you was under somebody, it would go along those lines. So who knows who really did? Who's to say? I wasn't there. None of us is alive from back then. Word of mouth, right? But my energy is telling me it might have been something more to that. But nevertheless, he invented, got credit for the ladder, and that was patented for him. So yeah, we're going to leave that right there and be glad you're able to escape. Have a good day.